Here's the new mount. As you can see, the old one, they got this screw on the top. Sometimes you can take those off. I haven't been able to buy it separately, so I always just buy the whole mount. It's one of the ones that's oil filled. Excuse me. So I'm going to put the bottom of the mount in, then we're going to have to pull the engine forward because it's really out of the motor mount back in place. As you can see, it lifted up a whole bunch, and that was the whole reason that that CV axle on the passenger side is junk. I haven't checked the driver's side yet to see if it's going to be junk as well. However, the other car does have 2 good axles, so I'm just going to keep working. I'm going to go ahead and put the intake back in right now, the alternator, and then since I took everything off the other car already, I'll be able to put it on the front here, the rebar, and then we'll be able to button it up.